Next, this one is a tougher one. There are 25 trees at equal distance of 5 meters in a line with a well. The distance of the well from the nearest tree is 10 meters. A gardener walls all the trees separately starting from the well, and he returns to the well after watering each tree to get water for the next. Find the total distance the gardener will cover in order to water all the trees. Understand the problem first. See here, this is the well, then these are 25 trees. He goes from well to the first tree, waters it, comes back. Then again goes to the second tree, waters it, comes back. Third tree and so on up to 25. Now what have you to find? The total distance travelled by him while watering these plants. See here, what will be the distance? He goes to well 1 and then tree 1 and then comes back. Means he travels 2 times. Right? Similarly for others also. Okay. Now remember this logic. Now we'll move ahead. So what we want, Sn. Sn means sum of all these APs. This is basically AP because 1, 2, 3. So the sum is what? N upon 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d, where a equals to 10. Why 10? Because here first distance is 10 and remaining are at a distance of 5 each, right? So d equals to 5 but a equals to 10. So a equals to 10, d equals to 5, n equals to 25. Now solve this. Therefore Sn equals to 25 upon 2 into 2 into 10 plus 24 into 5. 25 minus 1, 24 into 5. Solve this. You will get Sn equals to 1750. But he goes and comes back at every tree. So the distance will be double. So twice of Sn. Distance travelled equals to 2 into 1750, 3500. That's the answer. Next, Raghav buys a shop for rupees 1,20,000. He pays half of the amount in cash.